How to delete your YouTube account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can delete your YouTube account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you'd like to delete your YouTube account, it depends upon what you're trying to delete. For example, if you're talking about your YouTube and you just see a profile, you're just trying to talk about deleting a YouTube account, or the other thing is that you have a channel, or are you talking about you're trying to delete your channel? What are you trying to delete? Deleting your YouTube account means deleting your Google account in and of itself, and deleting your Google account means deleting your Gmail, deleting your Google Photos and all of the services related to Google. But you can only delete your YouTube channel if you want to, and keep your channel as empty. Now if you're talking about deleting YouTube channel, then that's also possible. If you're talking about deleting your Google account or your YouTube account itself, as I said, YouTube and Google is same. Deleting YouTube account means deleting your Google account, but deleting your YouTube channel does not mean deleting your Google account. It only means deleting your YouTube channel. Not all of the videos in it are going to be deleted, your subscriptions, everything is going to be removed, but your account is going to be remain. But if you're trying to delete your YouTube account, you have to delete your Google account. I'll show you how to do both of these. If you're just confused, do not think of it too much. Now first, let's get started with, like, you're trying to delete your YouTube channel. You go to your YouTube channel, you have some of the profiles and videos over here. Let's say you want to delete your channel in a nutshell. You can open up your Chrome browser and then just go to studio.youtube.com. Now this process can also be done from your PC. It's more convenient from the PC than on the mobile though. Once you go to studio.youtube.com, make sure to select the right channel that you want to delete from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you select the right channel that you want to delete, over here scroll down to the bottom, you'll find this little gear icon, which is the settings icon. So just make sure to tap on it and you'll be taken to this page over here. You want to make sure you're under the channel page. Once you're under the channel button over here, you want to come to channel, and then over here you want to go to the option called advanced settings. Once you come to advanced settings over here, you have to actually scroll down, and at the very bottom you can see remove YouTube content, which means that you can actually remove your YouTube channel. So just tap on remove YouTube content. It'll ask you to verify first of all, so just go ahead and verify with your password. Now once you verify with the password, it will ask you whether you want to hide your channel or permanently delete my content. If you want to permanently delete your YouTube content, which means your channel, then you can simply agree to these terms and conditions and tap on the delete my content button, which is at the bottom. So just go ahead and type in your email address to confirm it. Now this is about deleting your channel, but let's say that you want to delete your YouTube account, which means actually deleting your Google account. You cannot just remove an account, you have to delete your Google account. Now just go ahead and then open up any of the Google application or any of the Google account that you have. It could be a Gmail app, it could be a Google profile photo or anything else. And any Google app, you'll find the Google profile photo on the top right. Tap on it and then go to manage your Google account. Once you go to manage your Google account, go to data and privacy, and once you go to data and privacy, scroll down until you find the option called delete your Google account. So you can just tap on it to delete your entire Google account. Now deleting your Google account will delete all of this information as well related to Google, so you just have to keep that in mind. The difference is, what are you trying to delete, your account or your channel? But as I showed you both, hopefully this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.